All right, today I'm working on an 88 Jeep. It's an inline 6 4.0. And I'm replacing this valve cover sill. It's leaking like a sieve. What you're going to want to need is a flathead and a 7/16 socket. The flathead's just for these radiator hoses here in the front. I'm actually going to replace this middle one, so I just completely removed it. I believe there's 12 7/16 bolts. I have one more back here I need to remove, but I'm going to remove this grommet and this breather line. I'm going to try to do it by keeping this cable line connected, popping off the valve cover. All right, anyways, let's get into it. So I've gotten the valve cover taken off. What I want to do now is remove the old sill. You can see mine here. I'm going to go down in there and get it all removed. I didn't even notice that side's already pretty much done, but I just got this sill I need to pull out from this side, and it should all just come right out. All right, I lost track there for a second, sorry. Had this bolt back here that's connected to this electrical wire that it's better just to remove it, just to pull this valve cover off. Anyways, I've put the new sill in. It's this new Corks sill. Sorry I didn't show it to you, but you're going to want to lay it out, and you'll see how it is. I laid it out with the valve cover, just super glued it in place, and then set the valve cover back on. So anyways, I'm going to start bolting this back down. Just a couple things to keep in mind when you're putting this back together. On this threaded opened-in bolt that you mount your wiring harness to, just make sure you get those lined up correctly. And then when you're bolting these down, these are torqued to a certain torque. I don't know what it is. I'm out in the middle of nowhere, so I've just tightened it enough that I know it's gonna be sealed up, but I definitely didn't take it even close to over tightening, because you'll break those threads. So anyways, it's put back together. I've got this new radiator line in, so the other one was pretty haggard. So anyways, that's how you switch out a valve cover sill on an 88 Jeep Cherokee.